Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Before we start, please click that subscribe button. Your support keeps me going. My name is Angela. I'm 40 years old, a single mom. I live in New York City with my son Daniel. He is 17. In his last year of high school. We rent a small apartment. 2 rooms, 1 tiny kitchen. Life is not easy, but I try my best. Every morning, I cook eggs and toast. Pack Daniel's lunch. And send him off to school. I also work part-time in a local store. Money is tight. But my son's future is more important than my comfort. Our neighbor is Mrs. Lewis. She lives down the hall with her son, who is Daniel's classmate. She is a smart woman, always calm and kind. Sometimes she and I share coffee, talk about our children, and encourage each other. One night, Daniel came home late from study group. I thought he was asleep. But he was not. He walked past the kitchen and heard me whispering with Mrs. Lewis. We said things like, "Don't let him know. He's not ready yet." Daniel froze. His heart beat fast. He thought, "Is Mom hiding something from me? Is she having an affair?" From that day, Daniel became cold to me. He answered me with short words. He avoided my eyes. At dinner, he barely touched his food. I asked, "Daniel, are you okay?" He said, "I'm fine." But his tone was sharp. As a mother, I felt pain. I knew he was upset. But I couldn't tell him the truth yet. One weekend, he exploded. "Mom, why are you lying to me? I know you have a secret. I know you are meeting Mrs. Lewis at night. Are you cheating on Dad?" I was shocked. Tears filled my eyes. "No, Daniel, no. It's not what you think." But he did not believe me. He stormed into his room and slammed the door. That night, I cried quietly. I wanted to explain. But I promised someone I would keep silent. At least for a while. A few weeks later, Daniel's father came to visit. He and I are separated. But we still talk sometimes. Daniel told him everything. His father looked serious. Then he called me and said, "Angela, maybe it's time. The boy deserves to know." I nodded. Yes. It was time. That evening, we sat Daniel down. His father, me, and Mrs. Lewis. I held Daniel's hand and said, Son, I need to tell you the truth. Years ago, your father had a big problem. His business almost failed. We had no money. We almost lost everything. At that time, Mrs. Lewis's husband helped us. He gave your father a loan. Sadly, he passed away suddenly. For many years, I have been helping Mrs. Lewis with the legal papers, with the documents, and with returning the money. That's the secret. I was not hiding an affair. I was protecting our family's dignity. I didn't want you to worry. Daniel's eyes widened. He looked at Mrs. Lewis. She nodded gently. It's true, Daniel. Your mother is a brave woman. She wanted to carry the burden alone. She didn't want you distracted before college. Daniel's face turned red. He lowered his head. Mom, I misunderstood you. I thought you betrayed Dad. But you were protecting us all along. I hugged him tightly. My dear, some secrets are not betrayal. Some secrets are protection. From that day, Daniel changed. He studied harder. He respected me more. He thanked Mrs. Lewis for her quiet support. When exams came, he walked into the classroom with confidence. I prayed outside, my heart beating like a drum. Weeks later, results came. He passed with flying colors. Better than we expected. At graduation, Daniel held his diploma high. He looked at me and said, Mom, thank you. You are my hero. I will make you proud. Tears rolled down my face. At that moment, all the pain, all the misunderstandings, all the silent nights, they were worth it. Life is not always simple. Sometimes parents keep secrets, not to hurt their children, but to protect them. So if you ever feel lost, remember this story. Talk to your family. Try to understand before you judge. Because love is sometimes quiet, but it is always there. Thank you for listening. If you liked this story, please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.